Going on, home chef? Today's episode was inspired by New York Times chef Melissa Clark cheesy baked pasta with sausage and ricotta. In this version, we added low moisture mozzarella to the dish for that cheese pull and improved on the sauce with some chicken stock and other twists. For the prep work, mince 3 cloves of garlic and remove 3/4 pounds of hot Italian sausage from its casing. To remove the casing, use a sharp knife and slit the back of the sausage and pull out the meat. Even though the sausage appears seasoned, I always add more flavor. Sometimes they're bland. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of parsley. Cut up 8 ounces of low moisture mozzarella into cubes. The smaller the size, the better. Using the large holes of a grater, shred 3 ounces of fresh Parmesan cheese. Flip to the finer side and grate 3 ounces more. The original recipe had a plain ricotta filling. No one really likes plain ricotta. I added 1 tablespoon of parsley and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Mix well. In a large skillet, heat up 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, Add the garlic. Cook for 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Don't let the garlic burn. Add the sausage and cook on medium-low heat until the meat is brown, 6 to 8 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, mix to combine. Add 1/28 ounce of San Marzano whole tomatoes. Crush the tomatoes in a skillet. Add a quarter cup of chicken stock and a sachet of a bay leaf, a thyme, and parsley stem. Bring to a simmer and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. While the sauce is cooking, cook your pasta 1 minute before al dente and preheat your oven to 425. Add half the mozzarella cheese, the shredded Parmesan cheese, and the ricotta cheese mix. Stir until the cheese is melted a bit and remove the sachet. Add the pasta, mix into the sauce, and add the rest of the mozzarella cheese and the Parmesan cheese. Bake for 20 minutes.